Today we are unboxing a leather tool set. They're basically all the same on Amazon or eBay, whatever you buy it on. You get basically the same products, probably from the same manufacturer in China that just sells them out. So yeah, we're just going to be looking at the tools. I am not a leather expert. I've hardly done anything, but I bought this, and so I was like, I'll just do an unboxing video. So, got some sandpaper here. Let's set these to the side. So first we've got this rotary cutter thing. This is for cutting the leather, I'm assuming. I'm wanting to get into some leather work, making like a wallet or a journal thing. Journal cover or something like that. I think that would be cool. So, I like that it's brass right there. It's nice. Here is a slick. I think that's what it's called. Or no, this is like one of those bone folding tools. They're usually made out of bone or something. I think that's what it is, and it just kind of to put curves on the leather. Like if you're forming it to something, you can just kind of put it in there. I've seen these on some videos on YouTube. This is a groove cutter or something. Can't remember what it's called. But basically, there's a little hole right there, I think you guys can see. And it basically just cuts along the leather. Let me get a piece. So you have this. I guess you just run it. Yeah. It just cuts a little groove in there for your stitching to go inside. That way it's actually like inside of the leather. So that's nice. All of these like feel okay quality. I mean, the cutter is just plastic, but still, it's fine. Hole puncher thing, I'm assuming? Yeah. This is nice. It doesn't have a huge array of sizes, but yeah. I already bought just a giant set of them. But that'll still be good. This is, I think, what's called a slick, and it just burnishes the edge of a piece of leather, put water on it or whatever, and get the size, and then just do that. Don't know if it'll do it without water or anything, but yeah, that's nice. I mean, it's just wood. How cheap can you get? I mean, I guess they could have made it out of pine or something, but what is this called? I can't remember. Something for stitching, I think. It just has these little prongs. You roll it along the leather. You just roll it along the leather like that. And then there you go. Then you get these holes evenly spaced. That's nice. This is just plastic handle. But it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It doesn't feel like dollar store thing. This was about 30 bucks, I think. I bought it off of eBay. And this is, what is this called? It says it's Japanese, or some sort of Eastern writing. Just a stained handle. I think it's for cutting the leather, just thinning the size down. I think that's what it's for. It's sharp. Yeah. That's really sharp. Surprising. Because all these are going to be like, a piece, they're going to be like $3 or whatever. So it's just kind of concerning when you buy that cheap of tools. It's like, how good is the quality going to be if it's that cheap? This a divider or something. I think it's supposed to, I guess you use, like, these are blades or something, and maybe you just run it along. Maybe you do it that way. I don't know. I'll have to look at that. It's interesting. You can widen it like that. It's nice. Everything has this polyurethane on it, which is not fun because then I just have to take it off. Because it can't take an oil finish, which I like having an oil finish better. Because it just feels better in my hand and stuff. These are, I guess, finger guards or something? I guess maybe for the sewing part, but are you supposed to cut them or are they like awkwardly? They're puppet show things, I don't know. Alright, here's another one of those stitching groovers, or whatever you call it. I think the other one was called the stitching groover, I don't know. If you guys know what these are called, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. I think this is an awl. It's nice. This one, they're really nice looking tools. Like, none of them are just really ugly. These are all pretty nice looking. So I guess we'll just have to see with the performance that I'll probably put an update video on how they do after using them for a little bit. These are, I think this is the edge beveler or something, or maybe this is a, I'm not really sure. Uh-oh, my cat's trying to, oh, uh-oh, what is he doing? Another edge groover or something. This I think is the same kind of deal as this tool, where you just go in the creases of things, and it's not super sharp. I really don't know. Okay, this, help me know what this is, because I have no clue. It's almost looks like a gouge, but it's like a backwards chisel. I don't know. Yeah, I have no clue. Maybe it's for, I mean, I'm assuming it's cutting the leather, because that's basically what all these tools are. Alright, here's a, this is what looks like a edge beveler for before you slick the leather, I think. From my limited knowledge, that's what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna have to clean up all of these handles. I mean, if you like the polyurethane, I guess that's okay, but it's just, I really don't like it. It feels weird, and it just feels fake. Like, why put wood on if you're just gonna make it feel plasticky? This is just like a craft utility X-Acto knife. It's really good. I don't have one of those, so. And then these are blades. That's nice. It's nice packaging, like, it's not normal, just cheap stuff. These are blades to something. I don't know what to. I think maybe I just lost what it was. Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, it's a, from what I can see, it looks like a decent set of tools. I don't have, like, I think they're called pricking irons. I don't have any of that, any one of those, which would be really nice to have. But I've got myself at least a pretty good starting kit. Can do at least some things with it. I want to make a leather wallet, so maybe that'll be in a video coming up soon. So, and I might just use this awl for poking the leather for the stitching holes. But yeah, it's a nice little kit, in my opinion, but I have no clue because I just didn't want to spend $300 on a set at Tandy Leather, and $30 is a much better price. So yeah, there it is. The about $30 set, leather tool set. Hopefully it'll get me pretty far. If you want to buy this, you can just go on to eBay or Amazon, and it's basically all the same tools, so like they look exactly the same. So yeah, try it out for yourself. We'll see you in the next video.